Hello, we've got an idea to make a hole. This is a very simple way to cut a hole in the middle of something without using a hole punch and without hurting yourself, hopefully. So, the simplest way to make a small hole is to use a bit of plasticine and a pencil.
Or blue tack.
So yeah, blue tack is good also.
Don't use Play-Doh because it does get stuck on your pencil or whatever you're using, because I've tried that before and it does not work.
Okay, thank you, Jan. Good work.
And I'm just going to pop the bag in the middle, kind of.
You choose where you want the hole to be.
It doesn't have to be in the middle. It could be up there, or you could just hang something up like this. And I'm going to make sure that I press the bag down in the middle and put my pencil on it and press.
Right, so you're pushing down and you're turning a little bit.
And twizzling it.
And bringing it back up again. There we go.
And you've got a hole.
Amazing.
And the best thing is, you don't have anything on your table.
Simple. Okay, so if you wanted then to make this hole bigger, you could take your scissors. Now, hopefully, you can put the tip of your scissors into that hole, always pushing down into the table, never pushing into your hand, and just cut a little slit. And what you're going to do is move the bag around and cut a few more slits. So this depends on how big you want your hole to be.
Depends on how far into the bag your slits are, if that makes any sense.
That's exactly right.
So one in there.
How many have you got? Do you want to do just one more there? Just quite a big bit there. Okay, then push them all up. Do a little kind of fringy option. You can either put your finger underneath and come up.
Actually, this doesn't look that neat. If you wanted it neater, not saying that that's a good thing or bad thing, then you can put your scissors into the large hole and just kind of do a freehand circle around the outside.
It all depends on how big you want your circle to be. So Betty's doing hers freehand. If you wanted to, you could draw yourself a circle first to cut around. So we're just demonstrating an idea. Smashing. Thanks very much.